Hey, welcome to OneStepNow, my YouTube channel where I help you monetize your reviews on YouTube. I also do product reviews, which is what this video is. So if you like that kind of thing, please click the like button and also subscribe. Turn on notifications. New videos all the time, and I take requests. This video is simple, and it is to recommend my preferred drone of choice. To learn how to fly a drone, this is an excellent choice. To have fun in an acrobatic drone flying sense, this is a good choice. For indoor, it's a good choice. For outdoor, it's a good choice. You know, outdoor when it's not that windy, but this sucker will move. I mean, it'll go, I'm going to claim over 20 miles an hour. I mean, it gets to a speed that is super impressive. They call it a whoop drone, these types of little drones. But look at that sucker. You can get that for under $30 on all day. And by the way, click on the link in the description to get one. That's how you support this channel. If you found this useful, I would appreciate it. So that's a Holystone HS170. And it comes with this controller. Now the old controller had 8 batteries. This one only has 2 that it needs, which is a wonderful upgrade. Thank you, Holystone. We appreciate you. Holystone drones are, you know, widely used and very, very fun. This thing will do flips in any direction. It will go in 3-speed modes. It will land automatically. It will do headless mode. It's just so fun. I'm going to do other videos that show flying it, but I have other videos and other channels I'll link to here so you can check out the flying of it. But anyway, so this is a wonderful little setup. And then in addition, it comes with these 2 batteries, which provide actually pretty long flight time, but you're going to want to fly it longer. So I got enough batteries that I can fly it for like an hour and a half. And I'll put a link in the description to this, but there are 3 other batteries actually that are used that we have separate from here, because as we use them we unplug them from here. It's a little system. But anyway, this Heiko charger and battery pack thing, these batteries are actually a little longer than what comes with the drone itself. You can see this is the one that comes with the drone, and this is the one that I bought. Now this one just, it adds a little weight, but it takes that drone for a longer amount of time flying it, so it's super cool. This has more power in it than the one it came with. And you see how they built it? They made it so you just slip that battery right in the back. There's one in there, right? And then you just plug in that plug, and that's why they have it like that. You know, this is more like a racing drone where you can, some people will modify it and put little cameras on top and make it an FPV drone where you fly it with virtual reality goggles type of thing, which I think is incredibly cool. Oh, another thing is, when you get one of these, like I said, it's under 30 bucks. You get this thing probably, you know, 20 bucks, and then the propellers. The propellers, you're going to want an extra set of those, and you know, they special which propeller goes where, or else it won't fly right. So those are cheap. That's like 10 bucks and you get a bunch of them. So yeah, we break propellers a fair amount. We've crashed this thing 100 times hard. So I can't say anything about it other than I bought it. I love it. I loved it so much. I've got enough batteries to fly for an hour and a half, and we just relentlessly crash it and fly it as hard as we can over and over and over. And we fly it with our other drone, which is a Pro 10-stick, and by the way, I have another video on that. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So hey, thanks for watching OneStepNow. If you like these kinds of videos or have requests or want to learn how to make money off of your views on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Smash that like button. Thanks for watching OneStepNow. Get yourself a little Holystone.